In the previous video, we already show you how to enable or disable Bitlocker Drive Encryption. And for notes, Bitlocker Drive Encryption sometimes can slow down your PC performance. In here, I have solution. You can try using hardware encryption rather than using Bitlocker Drive Encryption as software. If your drive is support to using hardware encryption, you can try to doing this. First, we need to check our hardware encryption is not enabled or disabled. We can open the command prompt. Like usually we check the Bitlocker Drive Encryption, we run as administrator here and type the command manage -bda space status like this and hit the enter, and you can see the hardware encryption is fully decrypted, so it's off or not encryption. Now we need to go to local group policy editor. Okay, just type group policy. You will find the menu on the control panel in here. After that, in here we need to go to administrative templates. I will make it larger here. Then select Windows component, and in here you need to select Bitlocker Drive Encryption, and in here select operating system drive. You can see here there is option to configure the use of hardware based encryption. Okay, and this is not as software. We can right click here and select edit and try to select enable. Okay, you can see the option use Bitlocker software based encryption when hardware encryption is not available. Just don't take this. We need to using hardware encryption, not Bitlocker software encryption. You know what I mean here? There is two encryption method. Use Bitlocker software based encryption, and you can also using hardware encryption, as you can see in the choice. You can see there, and this statement is showing us on the Windows have Bitlocker software based encryption and also hardware encryption. And in the previous video I also tell you, if we are using Bitlocker software based encryption, it can slow down our PC performance. If your hardware or your drive is supported to using hardware encryption, it will can enable and cannot slow down your PC like you are using Bitlocker software based encryption. You can click apply here. Okay, in here we can check the status after we restart our PC. After we restart our PC, we can try to log in again, and if our hardware is supported to using hardware based encryption, we can see on the command prompt. But if don't support, we can never mind. Okay, just type again minutes .bda space the status like this and hit the enter. My hardware is not supported, and if your hardware is supported, you can apply the hardware encryption rather than using Bitlocker software based encryption. Hope this video helpful for you.